Today I'm going to show you how to share only part of a Notion database with granular permissions. This is the master project tracker and it shows every client mixed together. I'm creating a new page first. I'm going to open the left sidebar and click the plus next to private. Notion creates a blank page with an empty title at the top. I'll type Acme Portal as the page name and press enter. Now type /linked and choose linked view of database from the slash menu. A small panel asks which database to use. I'll select project tracker. The full table drops in, still showing every row from the source database. That is expected. This linked view is not a copy. It points back to the same source database, so if a row changes in the master tracker, this page will show the same change automatically. Next, I want to cut this down to Acme only. I'll click Filter at the top right of the table. The filter panel opens on the right. Click Add Filter. A new filter row appears with a property, a condition, and a value. I'll set the property to Client. The condition stays as is. Then I'll type Acme Corporation in the value field. Notion shows the matching client in the dropdown, and I'll click it. As soon as I click it, the table shrinks to only the rows where client is Acme Corporation. Now I want to hide the internal columns. Click Properties at the top right of the table. The Properties panel opens with a toggle for every column. I'll switch off Budget and Internal Notes, and leave Project Status and Due Date switched on. The table updates and strips out those extra columns, so this view stays clean. Click the view name at the top left. I'll rename it Acme Only and press Enter. Then click the three dots next to the view name. Choose Copy Link to View. That link carries this exact filter and these exact properties, so you can paste it anywhere if you want to jump straight to this view. Now I'm going to share the whole portal page. Click the Share button in the top right corner of the page. The Share panel opens. In the Add People, Emails, or Groups field, I'll type jane@acme.com. Notion resolves the address and prepares a guest invite. Now before I send it, I need to change the permission dropdown to the right of her name from Can Edit to Can View. I never give clients Can Edit on a page like this. If Jane had edit access, she could open the filter and clear it, and then the whole master table would be sitting in front of her. That is the mistake I see most often with this setup. With Can View selected, press Invite. Notion adds Jane to the list below with view access, and if she is an external guest, it sends her an email. To confirm that the permission actually holds, I'm switching to a separate browser window. I'll open Notion in Jane's workspace. Now I open Acme Portal from her sidebar. The page loads and she only sees the Acme Only linked view. She can open individual rows and see the information in them, but she cannot change the filter or properties because the page is view only. There is also no sidebar link back to the master database from this page. If I click inside a row, it opens as a page, but the source table itself is not linked in her sidebar. Now go back to Share on the portal page. Click the drop-down next to Jane's name and choose Remove. Notion revokes her access immediately. If you add another client, do not build a separate database. Hover over Acme Portal in the sidebar. Click Duplicate. Open the duplicated page. Click Filter. Change Acme Corporation to the next company. Same source, same filters, separate page. And if you want a shareable link without inviting a guest, click the three dots next to the view. Choose Copy Link to View. Then open Share. Set link access to anyone with link can view. Use that only for view only, never for internal data. If this saved you a headache, hit like, subscribe for more Notion setup videos, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this guide to someone else searching for the exact same thing.